Imagine this. You have a salary of $1,000 a month, and you wonder, can I ever start my own investment? Most people think they need thousands to begin, but that's not true. Step 1. Take 10 to 20% of your salary. So, if you earn $1,000, take $100. That's it. Just $100 a month. Step 2. Invest it smartly, like stocks or gold. Let's say you earn 10% per year. You might think, $120 a year? That's nothing. But here's where the magic happens. Year 2, around $500. Year 3, $1,050. Year 4, $1,500. Year 5, $2,100. Year 10, $7,800. Imagine it as a business where your money works for you, without you lifting a finger. And the best part, you can invest more than $100 if you want. You might ask, why do it for so long? Here's why. This builds fixed, reliable income over time. This is not the only way to invest. Combine 3 to 4 strategies, and you can earn serious money. Start today, even with just $100 a month, and watch your money grow. Don't forget to subscribe for more finance tips, and begin your investment journey now.